I am Vishal Hari Bhojantune. I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar in Aurangabad. I have completed Master of Computer Application 2021 and joined Yash Infotech Private Limited. So I am online course in full stack Java development. So I am successfully placement my current pack in Allied Automation Services Private Limited. My current package is 4.5 lakh. Thank you so much Yash Infotech and
येस इन्फोटेक हा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, त्यासमोरील बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि तुमचे IT जॉब मिळवण्याचे चान्सेस 10 पटीने वाढवा.